Identify the pairs or the pair with T shape as well as what? Square pyramidal respectively. And the given options are ICl2 minus ICl5 one combination, IO3 minus IO2 F2 minus another combination. You can write it as somewhat large also, that is IO2 F2 minus, this is ClF3 IO4 minus xenon oxy difluoride followed by xenon oxy tetrachloride. If we write the compounds present here in the form of their corresponding central metal atom bond pairs as well as lone pairs, this is central metal atom, it is having 2 bond pairs, whereas out of 7 electrons 2 are participated in bonding, remaining 5 plus 1 6. 6 are present in the form of 3 lone pairs, hence it belongs to the category of A, B2, E3 type of category. Whereas ICl5, I central metal atom having 5 bond pairs, remaining 2 electrons are present in the form of 1 lone pair, that is AB5E1 category. IO3 minus, this is central metal atom, every oxygen forms 1 bond, hence B3, whereas 6 electrons are consumed over there, and it is having another one here, total 2 implies AB3 E1 type of category. IO2F2, here A is connected with 2 plus 2, 4 bond pairs. 4 bond pairs implies here 4 electrons here, 2 electrons here. 6 electrons are consumed over here. Here 1 electron on this out of 7 and here 1. So therefore present in the form of 1 lone pair. ClF3, this is A, B3, remaining 4 are present in the form of 2 lone pairs. IO4 minus A followed by B4, whereas B4 implies 8 electrons are consumed over here. We will come to this later. And xenon oxy difluoride, here xenon oxy difluoride, this will belongs to the category of A, B3, 4 electrons are consumed over here. 4 electrons are consumed over here implies remaining are 4. 4 are present in the form of 2 lone pairs. Xenon oxy tetrafluoride, this is AB5, whereas it is having remaining 6 bond pairs implies 2. 2 are present in the form of 1 lone pair. Yes, if we come back towards the IO4 minus, here the more electronegative element is oxygen. Oxygen holds the negative charge. So therefore here iodine is connected with 4 bond pairs, hence it is AB4, that negative charge is not present on the iodine, whereas each oxygen forms double bond, one of them will form single bond, hence it belongs to the regular category of what? AB4. We are expected to identify, one is with T in shape, other is with square pyramidal. To get T shape, here if we go for AB3E2 type, AB3E2 type, here it is present in such a way that this is central atom A, whereas it is having lone pairs, one lone pair is here, one lone pair is here, followed by one bond pair is present over here, another 2 bond pairs are present in such a way that this is one bond pair, this is one bond pair. It appears as a bent T shape, that is xenon oxy difluoride. Xenon oxy tetrafluoride, it is having pyramidal geometry because it is derivative of octahedral, in which one in them is what? Lone pair. Remaining all are what? And bond pairs. This is bond pair, this is bond pair, this is also bond pair, this is also bond pair. Due to these of all are as being bond pairs, it is present in the form of what? Square pyramidal. So therefore these two options matches with the given question. Whereas if you go for the other cases also, this is AB2 followed by E3, that is linear shape, that is linear in shape. AB5 followed by E1, this is also same category, but this is linear, this can't be the triangular shape, hence it doesn't matches. This is square pyramidal, this is square pyramidal. And whereas if I go for AB3E1, total 4, that is pyramidal. Whereas if I go for AB4E1, it is derivative of pentagonal bipyramidal, that is said to be seesaw, that is said to be seesaw. Remaining to AB3E2, this is also AB3E2 implies it AB3E2, that is T shape, and it matches. But whereas if I go for the IO4 minus, IO4 minus is what? Only tetrahedral, hence the proper option that can matches with the given all varieties is xenon oxy difluoride, that is bent in shape, xenon oxy tetrafluoride, that is square pyramidal in shape.